Random pack breaks. Appreciate you guys all joining once again. All right, 1 to 8. We will start off with Parker. Pack number 1 here. Good name on the back. Start off with Memphis Depay. Then we have a Junior, Real Madrid. A Pjanic, Juventus, and Cristiano Ronaldo. That's pack number 1. Pack 2 goes to Greg. All right, we've got Arisa Balaga, rookie, Chelsea. Back there. Kevin De Bruyne, Man City. And then we have a Keylor Navas. It's the Canary Yellow parallel, number 299, with a Dries Mertens base. All right, so out of 99 is the first parallel. All right, pack number 3. This goes to Steve. Eric Lamela, followed by a Lucas Klosterman, Future Stars, Raheem Sterling, Man City, and Ederson, base. Pack number 4, the Duke Parker. Osmond, followed by Moussa Dembele. Lionel Messi, ×2. Variation in the base. Very nice. Doubling up on Messi. That's never a bad thing. Okay, next up, back to Greg for his second pack. All right, we have Junozovic. Lee rookie. Luis Suarez. And Neymar. All right, next 2 packs are DPZs. What we got here, Dave? All right, Angel Di Maria. Future Stars of Diallo. Sergio Ramos. And Fabian Ruiz. And your second pack. So we've got Azpilicueta. Denier. And then a green Christian Pulisic. Nice. That one is 31 of 75 with a Milik base. Got some nice Christian Pulisic there. And Insane Collectibles, last pack. Rounded on out. Wow, look at that. Last pack Magic. Haaland. Not bad. Congratulations, buddy. Last pack Magic with Robert Lewandowski, Szczesny, and Rodrigo. Wow. That's pretty good fortune right there. One spot, last pack, bam. Haaland. All right. Guys, that will do it for the second round. I appreciate it once again. Now we'll get it all packed up and out ASAP.